Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get media on Donut SMP. We will go over the simple steps to capture and share your exciting moments on the server. Whether you are looking to participate in quests or simply showcase your adventures, this guide will help you connect with the wider Donut SMP community. Let's dive right into the process of becoming a recognized content contributor. The first step is to record your awesome gameplay. You will need to download and install Metal.tv on your personal computer. Once installed, launch Minecraft and join the Donut SMP server. When you experience a cool moment, simply press the F8 key to save the past 15 seconds of your gameplay. This makes capturing highlights incredibly easy and efficient. Next, it is time to share your captured clips. Upload your recorded moments directly to your Metal.tv profile. Remember to include the essential hashtag, for example, hashtag Donut SMP, in your clip's description to ensure visibility. You can also find and complete Donut SMP quests on the Metal homepage, often requiring you to submit your Minecraft username to claim rewards. Finally, engage with the broader Donut SMP community. Watch videos and streams from other creators to get inspiration and connect. Join the official Donut SMP Discord server to chat with fellow players and stay updated on server news. If you enjoy creating, consider producing longer videos for platforms like YouTube or streaming your gameplay on Twitch to further share your Donut SMP experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.